Polynomial basics. What is a polynomial? What does nomial mean? Number. What does poly mean? Many. So you may have heard of polytheistic. It means many gods. I'm a Christian. I believe in monotheistic, one God. Okay? We're doing polynomials, multiple numbers. So here's an example of a polynomial. 3x cubed plus x plus 7. Another example, x squared plus 9. These are both polynomials. A polynomial has a degree. It's the highest power of the whole polynomial. So one of the variables, the highest power is the degree of that whole polynomial. So this polynomial is degree 3. The highest variable power is 3. The leading term is the one that contains the highest power of the variable. So the coefficient of the leading term in this one is 3. 3 in front of the highest power. What's the coefficient of the leading term in this one? It's an invisible 1. There's an invisible 1 as the coefficient, the number in front of x squared. Let's move on. If we have a problem like this, so we have a quadratic or a polynomial equal to another polynomial, the squared parts are equal to the squared parts. So what does a equal? 7. So you could do it like this. Ax squared equals 7x squared. Divide both sides by x squared. So you're left with a equals 7. So let's just look at these two brackets. X times x. X times minus 3. 1 times x. 1 times negative 3. So this is called the distributive law for two brackets. That's the first two brackets done. Now I've got to do, well, I can simplify the middle two, can't I? Might have a go at this one to finish. So let's expand brackets. X times x. X times minus 7 equals a times x. Oh, we've got, okay, that's not that simple. Let's do the brackets first. X squared minus 2x plus 1. If we just use the squareds, that, therefore a equals 1. Okay, let's look at the x's next. Negative 7x equals that and that plus bx. So we're just looking at x to the power of 1. So if we divide everything by x, we know a is equal to 1, and that's minus 5. Alright, all we have left, this one, and this one equals 0. So a minus b plus c, a equals 1, b equals minus 5, so c equals minus 6. There you go.